How often do you see a muckjack deer? How often do you see a muckjack deer? Right, I am parked here. I'm going to attempt to park for the night. There is houses over there, so hopefully I got BT open zone. One old lady just went, well, I say old lady, my age, yeah, old, just thanked me for not parking on the pavement. She says the amount that do, but I am going to move over a tad. This is very, very muddy. It looks like it's been flooded. There's that many, there's a river just there, that's why I picked this spot. It's not on park for nights. So, there could be a reason why it's not on park for nights. Yeah. Cotswold Fisheries. .co.uk, and I don't think anybody's going to want to come down here with all this mud. What if it's not too soft? Oh, it is soft. I will walk across here because there's the river. I don't know what river it is, but it's. I mean, we have had torrential rain, and this is right on a bend as well. You can see it is flooded right up to the tops of the banks. There are no fish, I can't see none. A little park up. Traffic sounds quite busy, but there again, was it Bourton on water? I'll have a look. I'll put it down the bottom. It's not, as I said, it's not on park for nights, because that's the app I've been going to just lately. Now my feet are wet. Yeah, it's not on park for night, because that is my go-to app just lately. Normally I just try and find them myself. Look at the state of my wheels. Normally I try and find them for myself, and I usually plan a route and then use Google Maps and slide along the roads I'm going. So, but yeah, this was deep. This was deep. But with the amount of wheel marks that are here, I should imagine quite a few people come down here. Perhaps it's a dogging? No, they wouldn't go dogging in a little tiny site like this. So, oh, there we go. We've got another person coming along, so I've got to stop filming now. Well, it was lucky I got here first. I've had a couple of nights here now. I'm going to pull off in the morning, and as you can see, that was full of water. It's nearly dried out now. Still full of water down this end. I did have a motorhome, Fiat Ducato type van derived motorhome up in here, and the residents gave him gyp because he parked on the path, and then forcing the people to walk through that. I thought, you get on with it. I apologised to the lady again, and but as you can see, it is a rough old lay-by. It's not even a lay-by, it's just one-ended, it's in there. There is property opposite, they're in and out all day. But as you can see, I am on a gimp, I am sloping. I moved there to get a bit better sun because those trees were blocking my solar, so I moved over a tad. And you could tell the sun's out, all these bloody midges are flying around again. So, yeah, as you can see, it was muddy. The river's gone down a lot over there. It has gone down about 6 inches or so, but this hasn't. This is still full. The daffodils are trying to come through, and the one on the other side is still full. But I can hear the other side of the road, I can hear a waterfall. But I'm not crossing over, that's a damn busy road. So that's it, I've just put my solar away, and this will be the last you'll see me in this lay-by. Well, for now, until the next time. There. I got my aerial up, so I got BT open zone, because mobile reception here on EE is absolute rubbish. There ain't none. Oh, I never shut the door properly. It's because I got a cable in it. Ready, slam. There. Right. Alexa, shut up. Did I get a copyright for that? We are now at Fish Hill. We moved on and a lot more level than what we were at the last one. But it's even got toilets. It says they're shut. It says the gate shuts at dusk. Whether it does or not, we don't know. But we're going to attempt it, and we'll enlighten you what it is. I will put the 3 words at the bottom, and I'll let you know.
But the gates are locked, so there are gates. They're locked. We'll see if we get a knock. Nope.
You done?
Yeah.
Well,
good.
Cotswold Way National Trail, and it goes from here, Chipping-Camden, which is only just up the road. We're just there, but it does go all the way Cheltenham, Gloucester, Stroud, all the way down through Dursley and down to Bath. That's a fair jaunt from here. And where were we? We were here last night. Yeah, there. Last night, right out in the middle. So, you know, we're ending up Stratford. I'm just trying to see if it says how many miles it is. Nope. No, it doesn't say how many miles it is. Oh, it does, 102. 102 walking miles. Yeah, you can do that in an hour if you run. But yeah, the Cotswold signs, I've seen them all across where we were as well. The tower is only just over there, about a mile up. Well, it says 2 mile on that sign. 2 miles that way. It's still too far to walk. We drove past it. There's a nuclear bunker and everything there, but my little leg won't take me that far. It'll get me there, but it won't get me back. So, yeah. But I mean, when we got in here, there was 2 cars. Now it's filled up. Still muddy underfoot. This is that area, Fish Hill. Fish picnic area. And Anderson George. Yeah. A circular limestone trail, walk to the beach woods. Beach woodlands. Beach woods, I've never heard of them. Limestone would be too. Yeah. Oh well. I believe this is owned by the Waterways now here. Well, that's who's on the bench. They're just down the road, back out onto the side road, and there is a water sewerage works just down the road, which I looked on Google Maps, and I've stood in that big puddle So yeah, right. I'm liking it so far, and that big round thing in the sky is out. So, of course, where do you take the kids on bank holiday weekend? Out for nature walks. Preferably myself, I'd take them down a river and bloody drown them. It saves on Christmas presents then. Right, that's it. I think we're going to go walkabout, so not short. So, but we won't take to the bank because of the wheelchair. We'll go up the grass track.